Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this multi-port adapter USB hub. Alright, so here is the Type-C 8-in-1 hub. This transfers up to 1000 megabytes per second with a Ethernet of 100 megabytes per second. It's high-speed connectivity, fast to 100 watt PD charging. It's crystal clear 4K HDMI. It has a really high data speed of USB 3.0. So this is the 8-in-1 multi-port adapter. This works with all devices that support a Type-C charging plug. So this is a Type-C charging port, support PD charging for laptops, no data transfer, max is 87 watts power pass-through, 1 HDMI, supports 4K resolutions up to 3840 by 2160 at 30 Hz. It's got 1 Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 LAN port, supports 10, 100, and 1000 megabytes per second. It's a wired network speed. So right here is your HDMI port and all your USB 3.0s. And then you have your Ethernet at the bottom. So this supports 10, 100, and 1000 megabytes. The data speed here, it is showing that it's 3.0 up to 5 gigabytes. A data speed provide only at 0.9 amps, 5 volts power. Not recommended for smartphone, tablet charging. So it has a slot for a micro SD card reader, a card slot for SD, SDHC, SDXC, MMC, UHS. Memory card supports up to 60 megabytes per second data transfer speed, up to 2 terabytes. So this is my brand new 2020 Apple MacBook Pro. I only have the Type-C ports. This works perfectly with it. So if you're looking for a hub that supports any devices that uses the Type-C, I would definitely say check this one out. It does give you 3 USB ports. You have a spot for your SD cards, your micro SD cards, as well as your Ethernet line. So I'd say go ahead and check this one out. You would love this device.